those people who have had COVID attack earlier, they will have some immunity, so they will have some protection. But since the COVID virus is rapidly changing its genetic constitution, as we called, this genetic change is called as mutation. So it is possible that they can get infection from a strain which was different to what they were earlier exposed to. So theoretically it is possible, but practically the chances are less.
Okay.
Though they can always get it, but and hence it is important that though they have some immunity, but it is better that they
Take precautions.
They take all COVID appropriate behavior like wearing a mask in while dealing with other people, frequent hand washing, and maintaining a social distance. So all this, so this is called as COVID appropriate behavior. So it is important that this behavior continues.
Thank you. So,
So it is very important to remember that the protection offered by a vaccine will start. This full protection will start only after the person has taken both the doses of the COVID vaccine, that is 2 doses, and then at least 15 days have passed after they have taken this vaccine. So then the protection starts. So after a first dose, obviously the protection is not enough, and there may be some protection like 40 to 50% efficacy as they claim after the first dose, but this is not sufficient. So COVID appropriate behavior has to be followed by those who have taken first dose of the vaccine, and particularly what is observed is that they are susceptible to, when they have taken the first dose of vaccine, there are some reports that during this period the immunity is also slightly down. So in fact they should be observing more precautions after the first dose of the vaccine. So that precaution has to be maintained while taking the vaccination. Some of the reports which have come that people have got are more prone to infection after taking the first dose is that during the vaccination time, the vaccination event should not become a super spreader event. So
Right.
because a lot of people are in the line and all that, so at that time
non-maintaining
masking and all those things are very, very important, and social distancing. So since this is not maintained and people rush to take the vaccine, it is very important that to avoid such see, even after taking both the doses of vaccine, it is possible to get the infection. But what is the most important thing when you get vaccinated? What is the important advantage is that the chance of severe infection is very low. So the chances of hospitalization will be low. The chances of requiring ventilation or ICU stay will be very, very low, and chances of dying with due to COVID infection has become almost negligible. So once you have you have taken both the doses of the COVID vaccine, then after 2 weeks you will get the protection, and more important, protection from the infection. When we say that the COVID vaccine has 70% efficacy, 90% efficacy, means 90% chance that they will not get the infection. There are chances that they will get the infection, but even if they get the infection, the severe infection will not occur. So need for hospitalization, need for ventilation, need for ICU stay, and mortality will be obviously reduced to a great extent. So this is very, very important. But they can get the infection since the COVID virus is mutating, so that theoretically is possible to get the infection. So infection, the COVID vaccine may not be able to prevent totally them from not getting the infection. So COVID appropriate behavior still has to be maintained.